How to reset password on Upskill. Forgot your password on Upskill? Don't worry, it's super easy to reset. Start at the Upskill login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your registered email address and hit submit. In a few moments, you'll get an email with a reset link. Click it, enter a new secure password, and confirm it. Once done, log in with your new password and you are good to go. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Have you ever had trouble resetting password before? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.